Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add an event to calendar on Honor 200 Pro. Add an event, go to calendar app, and then click on a plus in bottom right corner. Now you can choose if it's a default event, important days, birthdays or to-dos. I'm gonna set it as just an event, and let's name it Hard Reset. You can set the location of the event. You can set it to all day long, or set the hours of start and finish as well as days. I'm gonna set it to all day. Okay, and let's set the start date to 23rd of July and the finish date at 21st of September. You can also choose a reminder, snoozing account on which you want to save this event and other data, as well as you can click here to enable repeating of the event, or here to select the priority and then click in top right corner to approve. And now you can see that dots are being displayed below these days when the event is enabled. And let me also show you how to delete an event. Choose one of the dates on which the event occurs, for example the start date. Click on it and click on three dots in top right corner and click on delete. And now it's deleted. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.